Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Readymag step by step to create beautiful and interactive websites without any coding. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Readymag for yourself, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts when you sign up over here on this platform with the help of my link. So when you click over here, the link in the description, you will be landed on the official website of readymag.com. Over here, you will see this prompt that says design and launch the outstanding websites. So since we already know what is Readymag exactly, let's just understand what it actually offers. So Readymag is an online website builder that is made for designers, creatives, and small businesses like you who want more control over the layouts and the visuals. Unlike the traditional builders that you see here in the market, it works on a free form canvas, meaning that you can drag and drop the elements anywhere on the screen. You can also build the landing pages, digital magazines, portfolios, or presentation style websites over here, all of them too without a single line of code. So getting started with the platform is also very easy and straightforward. But first, let's check out their pricing point. So when you click on the option of pricing, you will see that their free version is always free, meaning that you can use their basic layouts, their basic feature absolutely for free. And this is what I really liked about this platform. So here, when you click on the option of sign up in the top right hand corner of the screen, you can either sign up here with the help of your email address and by creating a strong password for your account, or you can also continue with the help of your email address. So if you select the option of continuing with your email address, it will be very easy for you to get access to your Readymag dashboard. Now the dashboard is going to look something like this, where it is going to give you a guidance kit. So here when you click on the option of how to videos, you will be able to watch the videos, you will be able to learn from it and repeat them on your own designs. If you are a designer and you want to import your designs from Figma, you can definitely go ahead and select the second option and import those over here. It is also going to give you the widgets walkthrough. So again, you can click on it, you can take a look at the widgets that the platform is going to provide you, and it is also going to help you clearing your basics. Then we have the option of templates and the product tour. So if you want the platform to guide you to exploring the options that are available over here, you can select the product tour option and take a look at a bunch of the sections that are given here. Now, if you want to create a new project from scratch, simply click on the option of new project that you see over here. Now you can choose a blank project, or you can begin from one of the ready-made templates that are provided to you by Readymag. So here, as you can see, I have selected the blank page as of right now in order to show you what options you are going to get here. So this is going to give you a clean canvas. Here in the bottom section, you will see the plus icon, your name, and then it is going to give you some of the options like pages on this website. Then we have the devices, then we have the layers and the option of adding widgets. So when you click on the option of this plus icon, you can add a bunch of different things here. Like first, if you click on the option of text, a demo text will be added here on your website, so you can place it wherever you want. After placing it, when you select the text box, you will see a bunch of other options associated with the text here in the right hand section too. Like with the help of it, you can edit your text, you can change its alignment, then you can change the color, font, and the size of this particular text box. So you can make changes into it in whichever manner you like basically. Then we have the option of plus icon, and here with the help of this plus icon, you can add the pictures on your website. So when you click on the option of pictures, it is going to show you this type of blank box in front of you. So here you can either drag and drop any of the photos from your device, or you can also use the stock footages which are provided to you by Unsplash. This too is absolutely free. Then if you click on the option of plus icon, you can add shapes, videos, shorts, and bunch of other things over here. If I just show you how you can add a button, if you select the option of button, you can again just drag and drop it wherever you want. After that, you can just double click on it in order to change the text of your button. When you select your button, you will see some of the other options too associated with it. With the help of it, you can basically change its color, you can make it blurry, you can just show on hover, and you can do bunch of other things. You can add links over here because since it is a button, you want it to be clickable. So you can select it, add the links, and you are good to go. So in a similar manner, based on the design that you have in your mind, you can use these widgets. You can just drag and drop them here on this canvas and start creating your website. Now, if you don't want to just do it, if you don't have time, Readymag is also going to give you this templates option. So when you click on the option of templates, it is going to redirect you here on this page, where if you already have a template, you can submit here too, and you can just sell them as free or paid websites templates that you want. Here you can select what type of template you like landing page, presentation, portfolio. So here, if you have selected the company websites, it is going to show you a bunch of different templates. You can just simply click on any one of these. You will notice some of the templates are free and some of them are paid. So they are also going to give you their premium paid templates to you, so you can buy them from here directly. After clicking on the template in which you are interested, you can take a look at the preview model of that template. So when you click on the option of preview, as you can see, the template or your future website is going to look something like this. So you can click on the option of copy template by clicking on the copy template option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then again, it is going to redirect you here on this Readymag editor option. So as you can see, this is the same canvas that we were using previously, but now you can make changes into the template based on your own theme, color, and the text that you want on your website. So the template option is also very good. You can just click on any of the texts, you can select any of the buttons, any of the images, and make changes into it in whichever manner you like. So once you are done, your website will be ready, which you will be able to manage with the help of this particular dashboard over here. So this is how you can basically start using Readymag to design, animate, and publish the stunning websites without coding. It is flexible, it is creative, and perfect for anyone who wants to build something unique. So if you found this video tutorial helpful, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.